What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another Zennovate channel. Today we will be unboxing these DJI Mic Minis. That's what we be unboxing today. Um, so yeah, we about to unbox these. But first, I've been using these right here. These was terrible. I don't recommend these. These are these lava large stuff. I don't recommend those because they bad. But as I'm trying to open the box don't want to open. Oh my god. I think I got it. Got it. Okay. Let's go. Hey. Focus. Yes, I'm recording this off my phone. So y'all getting the raw or like how am I supposed to say this? The raw, I don't even know anymore. But the raw. So here it is. This is the box look like. Things like that. Let that focus. Just the back. All the other stuff on there. I've been wanting some DJIs for a hot minute now. But I've been seeing YouTubers like have those and like I want to be able to record them with them and things like that. I was like, you know what? Why not give me some? So as my little treat, one big ticket item I always get, I always give me something big, something like that. Hey, they gave me a little DJI mic sticker. That is like, that is fire. I can't open this big. Well, we open it together. I don't know why I ain't showing y'all. We opening this shit together. Okay. So it comes with the sticker, which I like so much. This is like, that is nice. Got the sticker. We got like instruction manuals right here. We got the like QR code for the app and stuff. Yeah. Okay. Oh my god. It's like the pouch is so nice. Literally from DJI. The phone trying to phone. Okay. So we're gonna see what's all in here. Like I'm recording from my MacBook right now. Well, not my Mac, but like my phone. So what we got the wind stoppers, whatever you call them. We got the cord and adapter for it. And we got the mics. The pouch is so freaking nice. Look at the pouch. That is some nice material. Like that. Oh my god. Now we got this. Hold on. I need to see this. Come on. If I can get it open. Hold on. Alright. Hey. Hey. There it is. Dji Mic. I've been watching like videos with his tab. This feels so much heavier. Where's the other? Then this right here, like you could tell the difference. Like you can tell the difference. These two ones I'll be using like a lot. These, I'm throwing them away. Okay? You can... I don't want to show my face. Okay. Oh my god. That is beautiful. And these are the Mic Minis. Got the little C-type adapter. At the, okay. I don't want to touch this, bro. It's so nice. It's, oh my god. Oh my god, look how tiny that is. That's tiny. Like, oh my god. You got the dial. Okay. Alright. So this, look how tiny that is. Oh, wait. Look how tiny that is. The palm of my hand. This mic one, it got the little clip, or it got the magnet. Hold on. Alright, YouTube, that's the end of the video. This is trash, but I'm just gonna keep posting some bullshit stuff or something just to get the YouTube ecosystem rolling, because I want to get up there in the world, you know. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment down below. I'll see y'all in the next video when I actually have myself.